Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I am going to show you how to check weather forecast on iPhone. So first what you want to do is open up your settings, scroll down till you see privacy and security, and just make sure that here on location services it is turned on. And once you've done that, just go back and swipe to the app library and search for weather and tap on the weather app right there. So as you can see, I have now statistics on my weather, and you could do many things here. You could go check or tap on this one, so you will see the chance of precipitation and stuff. We'll scroll down to see the temperature, air quality, or wind. You could also add widgets to your home screen just like so. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.